Pinterest is the ultimate visual discovery engine. Are you ready to start pinning? In this video, I will walk you through setting up your first Pinterest account step by step. Let's get started. The first thing you want to do is open up Play Store or App Store. Now search Pinterest. Here you will find the install option. Tap on that and install the application to your device. After that, open the application. Now you will have to log into your account. If you do not have an account, you can sign up. For that, enter your email address, or you can also continue with your Facebook account or Google account. Once you have entered your email address, click on the continue option. Now you will have to create your password. Make sure to create a strong password. Then click on next. Now enter your full name, then tap next. Enter your date of birth. Tap on OK, then tap next. Now select your gender, then select your country or region. Tap next. Now you want to pick 5 to customize your home feed. Select whichever it is that you're interested in, then tap next. Now as you can see, your profile is all set up. You can tap on the saved option to select your pins, boards and collages. You can tap on the search icon to search for different ideas. Tap on the create option to create your own pin, collages or boards. Tap on the inbox where you can chat with your friends. And that's it. Your Pinterest account is fully set up and ready for all your inspiration. If this video helped you, tap like, drop a comment and subscribe for more videos like this.